How businesses identify quality problems. Identifying quality problems in GCSE Business Studies means finding out when a product or service is not meeting the required standard. Businesses need to find these problems early so they can fix them before they affect too many customers. In simple terms, it is about checking for mistakes or faults in products or services. How businesses identify quality problems. Number 1. Customer feedback. One of the most important ways is through customer feedback. Customers might leave reviews online, make complaints, return faulty products. This helps businesses understand what is going wrong from customers' point of view. Number 2. Quality control checks. Businesses carry out quality control during and after production. This involves inspecting products, testing samples, checking for defects. If problems are found, the business can stop faulty products before being sold. Number 3. Returns and refunds data. A high number of return or refund requests can indicate a quality issue. For example, if many customers return the same product, it suggests that there is a common fault and businesses need to look at that fault and fix it. Number 4. Employee feedback. Employees working in production or customer service may notice problems such as faulty materials, mistakes in the production process, common customer complaints. Their feedback can help identify issues quickly and businesses look into fixing them rapidly. Number 5. Benchmarking and comparisons. Businesses might compare their product to competitors' product or industry standards. If their product performs worse, it might indicate a quality problem. Number 6. Performance data and testing. Businesses can use data such as failure rates, error rates, product lifespan. Regular testing helps identify whether products are reliable and durable. So in short, we can say that businesses identify quality problems by using customer feedback, quality checks, returns data, employee input, and performance testing. Identifying problems earlier allows businesses to fix issues, improves quality, and keep customers satisfied, which results in overall making profit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next lesson.